Pop quiz time. What do you think is the most hydrating beverage after water? If you guessed sports drinks or lemonade, think again. The answer might surprise you. It's coconut water. Yes, this tropical treat is not only a refreshing summertime sipper, but also a super drink that's chock full of health benefits. Let's hear from some folks who've experienced the magic of coconut water firsthand. Meet Jane, a marathon runner. She shares, "After every long run, I reach for coconut water. It's natural, healthy, and helps me recover faster with its electrolytes." Then there's Mike, a health-conscious office worker who says, "Coconut water is my go-to midday drink. It's light, refreshing, and helps me stay focused and energized throughout the day." And it's not just Jane and Mike. Millions around the globe are discovering the health-boosting potential of coconut water. From professional athletes to everyday folks, there's a growing consensus that this natural tropical beverage is a boon for your well-being. But don't just take their word for it. The benefits of coconut water are backed by science too. Several studies have shown that coconut water is rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, nutrients that are essential for maintaining heart health, promoting digestion, and boosting immunity. Now imagine this. A scorching hot day, you're feeling thirsty and tired. You reach out for a chilled glass of coconut water. As you take a sip, you feel an instant rush of cool, tropical freshness. Your thirst is quenched, your energy restored, and you're providing your body with a wealth of health benefits. Sounds great, doesn't it? So why not give coconut water a try? Whether you're looking to stay hydrated, replenish your body after a workout, or simply enjoy a delicious, healthful beverage, coconut water is a fantastic choice. Remember, the path to a healthier, you could start with a simple sip of coconut water. So, go ahead, open a coconut, and discover the wonder that lies within. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel for more interesting ideas about fitness and weight loss exercises.